In this lesson we are going to learn about frequency adverbs.
Los adverbios de frecuencia son palabras que nos indican qué tan frecuentemente hacemos algo. Van de nunca 0% a siempre 100%.
Adverbs of frequency come after, second, the verb to be, first. Adverbs of frequency come before, first, the main verb, second.
Let's do the following examples. Put the words in parentheses in the correct place in the sentence.
1. She gets up early. Always. 2. He is late. Often. 3. We go to the movies. Sometimes. 4. She is wrong. Never.
1. She always gets up early. 2. He is often late. 3. We sometimes go to the movies. 4. She is never wrong.
Do the following exercises. Write sentences about how often a friend of yours does each of these activities. Use frequency adverbs once. Check the example first. After you are done with the exercise, you are going to email it to your teacher.
1. Be late for class 0 times a week.
1. My friend is never late for class.
2. Cook at home 6 times a week.
2. My friend _.
3. Chat online 3 times a month.
3. My friend _.
4. Drive to work every workday.
4. My friend _.
5. Play video games once a year.
5. My friend _.
6. Watch the news 4 times a week.
6. My friend _.
To make questions that include frequency adverbs you can use.
How often do you? How often are you? How frequently do you? How frequently are you?
How often do you walk for school?
I seldom walk for school.
How often do you read books at the library?
I always read books at the library.
How often do you use a cheat sheet in an exam?
I never use a cheat sheet in an exam.
How frequently are you late for your English class? The adverbial phrases come at the start or end of a clause. Here are some examples of adverbial phrases of time: as soon as, after, before, until, once in a while, whenever, while, when, almost always, almost never. You may want to check their meaning in an online dictionary such as wordreference.com. Try pressing the speaker icon to check how they are pronounced and also check the examples they provide.
When you have finished your assignment, you can go home.
While you were sleeping, I was exercising.
As soon as it started to rain, she put on her raincoat.
I watch sport events on TV once in a while.
Now you are going to answer the following questions using an MS Excel worksheet. After you make sure there are no errors, you are going to record yourself and email them, the MS Excel worksheet and the recording, to your teacher.
1. What do you seldom do when you are in English class?
2. What do you often do when you are in English class?
3. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
4. What do you sometimes eat for lunch?
5. Are you always tired in the mornings? Why? Or why not?
6. Are you always tired in the evenings? Why? Or why not?
7. What do you often do on the weekends?
8. What kinds of food do you rarely eat? Why?
9. What things do you seldom drink? Why?
10. What time do you usually get up in the mornings?
11. What time do you usually go to bed at night?
12. What do you hardly ever watch on TV? Why?
13. Do you always text your friends? Why? Or why not?
14. Do you always check your email? Why? Or why not?
15. What do you sometimes dream about?
16. What do you sometimes think about? Why?
Well, that's all for today's lesson. Have a good day.